take an adventure athlete and get rid of the use of their legs, let's say. Things are tough, it changes life for sure. Then you take that and get rid of the use of your hands, so you can't open or close your fingers. That's a whole nother ball. So my question for you is, how do you still find adventure? How do you still feel alive? The hardest part about traveling is accessibility. Everything, is not really accessible. I realized that, potentially if I could build a vehicle that's set up exactly for me, just the way I want it, that has a bed to sleep in, a shower if I need it, a sink I can roll under, a fridge where I can reach everything, a stove to cook on, and a pseudo bathroom setup. Everything that I can do on my own, it would make traveling so much easier. I can basically go anywhere the wheels will go and do my own thing. Every detail of this van was thought of specifically for me. That sense of freedom and adventure is still very much a strong part of me. I just have to have new tools to do it. This van is the ultimate tool for getting me out there. In Peru, I took a bus going through the curviest but most beautiful mountains I've ever seen. I knew at that exact moment there had to be a way for me to get back down there, but not using public transportation, instead having my own vehicle when I can pull over, take pictures, fly the drone, and do my own thing. My plan for 2019 is to take Spock the van down to South America. I realize how lucky I am living in the US and having vehicles and tools like this. The least I can do is somehow give back to the people I meet along the way. Trying to partner with nonprofits like freewheelchairmission.org for people who don't have access to wheelchairs. Even if I'm a quadriplegic, even if I'm in a wheelchair, even if my hands don't work, I can't sweat, I can't shiver, I'm still going to travel the world and make an impact along the way. Cheers and see you down the road.